Imagine you have a magic kitchen that can whip up any dish you desire. You simply tell it what you're in the mood for, and voila, the dish appears, ready to eat. This kitchen is smart, it learns from recipes all over the world and gets better with every dish it makes. In the world of technology, this magic kitchen is akin to what we call generative AI. Generative AI is like a super creative computer that can make all sorts of things. Instead of dishes, it creates stuff like pictures, music, or even stories, things that usually come from people's imaginations. It's a bit like a robot artist or composer. It learns from loads of examples and then uses that inspiration to make something new and original. For instance, if you show it thousands of paintings, it can then create a brand new painting that might look like it was made by a human artist. Now, let's zoom in on a particular type of recipe that our magic kitchen can follow, making sentences and paragraphs that sound like they were written by a person. This is where large language models, LLMs, come in. Think of them as a special cookbook in our magic kitchen that's filled with every rule and trick about writing in different languages. This cookbook helps the kitchen understand and whip up well-written text, just like a skilled chef would create a gourmet meal. These large language models are trained by reading a vast library of text, books, articles, websites, and more. They learn patterns, how words fit together, and what makes sentences make sense. After all that reading, you can ask them to write something, maybe a story or an explanation like this one, and they can do it in a way that seems like a human wrote it. In pop culture, you might have seen movies where robots talk and interact with humans, like the friendly robot in WALL-E or the wisecracking Iron Man's AI, Jarvis. These are fictional examples of AI that can understand and use human language, much like what real-world LLMs aim to do. So, in simple terms, generative AI is the broader idea of computers being able to create new things, whether it's art, text, or music. Large language models are a specific type of generative AI that focus on reading and writing text as if they were human. While we don't have robots that can do everything we see in movies, the technology we do have is getting smarter and is helping us in many creative ways.